guys, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Ralu and it is so very nice to meet you. So today's video is going to be about this makeup look. I wanted to create a look that would go out with any nude lipstick and also that screams fall. So if you guys are ready for today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe and join me on Instagram if you guys don't have me on there. So grab a bite, get settled in and let's jump into it. Well, hello! We are close on the eyes today and I'm super excited to get into today's look. So I'm going in first with my absolute favorite base, Pro Longwear Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. This is a highly pigmented, long-wearing yellow beige eyeshadow that blends smoothly over lids and creates seamless, buildable coverage without looking heavy or cakey. I'm going to start applying it onto the lid and then blending it out. I already have some concealer on the eyelids because I have carved out my eyebrows. But I need to apply this base because it makes the colors really pop. Into the crease and a little above it, I am going to apply this MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural in Dark Deep, which is a golden bronze. And I love using this powder to bronze my face and also here on the crease to connect the whole look and make it more cohesive. I'm applying it with a dense fluffy brush because it applies easier, it blends out prettier and it takes a fewer time. And also you want to make sure you apply it here under the eyebrow because it will make the look more cohesive. The brush that I'm using for this step is the MAC Blending Brush 224. So next I'm gonna tap into this palette by Morphe, which is the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. I'm going to apply this shade over here, which is called MFEO, and it's a matte Rip Papaya. And I'm going to apply it with a smaller blending brush right into the crease area. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know that this one is one of my favorite palettes. It has everything from mattes to shimmers, satins and even glitter, and the application is amazing. On the center of the lid, I'm applying the eye primer once again and blending it out with the finger. And on top of it I am applying Faint, which is the shimmering pink lemonade. But first I am dipping my brush into some Fix Plus and then I'm applying it. I'm blending the edges. With this color right here, Chip, which is a matte chocolate chip, I'm going to carve out a wing. I'm going to start from the middle of the eyelid and I'm drawing a line as thick as I want it to be. It's very important to make it straight. Then from the outer corner where your last lash is, you draw a line towards the eyebrow and you're filling in the gaps. In the corner of the eye, I'm applying a highlighter. For mascara, I'm using Volumissime Royale from L'Oreal. It's one of my favorite mascaras. Now I'm popping on some lashes. Now that we are zoomed out, I am ready to prep my skin and I'm going to use the Benefit Professional Mantle Rescue Gel that instantly minimizes the pore appearance. It's a lightweight, water-based gel that absorbs excess surface oil, leaving a natural-looking matte finish. Now that my skin looks smooth and refreshed, I'm ready to apply the foundation. For foundation, I'm using L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear, which is a long wear foundation with breathable skin technology. I'm applying it with tapping motions with my sponge from Real Techniques. This is a medium to full coverage foundation, totally buildable, that lasts all day and allows the skin to breathe, and it goes on smoothly onto the skin, giving a fresh, healthy looking complexion. So for concealer today, I'm going to use one of my favorite L'Oreal More Than Conceal Concealer. If you're a full coverage girl, just like I am, you will definitely love this one, because this is a high coverage concealer and it's drugstore. And I'm using my damp sponge to blend it all in. Oh wow, this looks so cool. I'm just going to set it with some powder. And I'm using the Select Sheer Pressed one from MAC. Now I'm going in again with the Mineralized Skin Finish powder to bronze my face. I'm going to apply it along the hairline as well. Now it's time for some baking. While I'm baking, I'm going to do some work on the under eye area, and I'm going to apply the same color I applied onto the crease. Guys, Halloween is coming and I'm super excited about it. I'm thinking this year maybe I should film a tutorial. So if you have a request of a makeup look, just comment below and I will be more than happy to do it for you. And here on the outer corner I'm going to apply chip, only to connect the wing to the lower lash line. And I'm applying some mascara on the lower lashes. And now I'm buffing away the bake. For blush, I'm using this trio palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm taking this shade, which is Desert, and I apply a little bit. This look goes with any nude lip or any nude color. It's really versatile and perfect for this fall. Today I'm going to do a nude lip and I'm going to use Spice lip pencil from MAC Cosmetics to line my lips. Now I'm going to blend it. And on top of it I'm applying this Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick in Bal Harbour. So this concludes today's video. I hope you guys loved watching this tutorial go down. This look to me screams fall and I'm so ready for it. I'm ready for the pumpkin spice lattes and for the cuddling weather, and I'm ready for it all. If you loved it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up before you leave and comment down below. Let me know if you will be recreating this look. So that being said, thank you guys for watching and I will see you on my next video.